Hey guys, good morning. This is Makarand Sawant. Welcome back to my channel Traveling on Pulse. So today's video topic about my college. I am giving a small tour video to the audience. So basically I am a Marathi YouTuber, but the college situated in Delhi, so that's why everyone can't understand Marathi here. Many students are from Delhi, many students are from south side of India, or many students are from other countries also. That's why everyone can't understand Marathi, so I'm shooting this video in Hindi and English mixture. So let's start the video. Let's see how my college looks and how it works. So yeah, let's start the video. Okay, so first thing first, let's start from the gate. This is gate number 1 and over there is gate number 3, but this is main gate for us, for hostelers. I am a hosteler, I am staying inside the college. That's why this is our gate number 1, where we can enter and exit through giving the passes. And over there the gate number 3 is for college students, like students who travels regularly, who comes regularly to the college but staying outside the college. The gate number 3 is for them and the gate number 1 is for us. So let's go, let's enter the gate and have a look to my college, GD Goenka. Arey bhaiya, kaise ho? Good morning. Okay, so first checkpoint is here only, before the cinematics. This is our laundry. This is our laundry site where we can give our clothes, our blankets, our towels, everything to them, and after some time, after I think 4 to 5 days, they will clean it, dry clean it and give us back. So yeah, this is the laundry for us. It's totally free. Oh my god! For hostel students, because we already pay that money. Yeah, boy. So this is my hostel. I will show you briefly in after some time because my roommates are sleeping now. So yeah, this is my hostel, the Hercules, and behind this there is a girls hostel that obviously I can't show you. Okay, so next point is this, the GD Goenka's shooting range, and there is a small cafe also, NutriVibe Cafe. So this is the place where you can actually learn shooting skills, how to shoot, and there are different trainers. If you are good in shooting, so you can also represent your state, or you can be a national shooter also. So yeah, if you want to learn how to shoot, you can join this GD Goenka shooting range. So moving ahead, we have a fire brigade also. This is also a main thing. Okay. मेरा एक्सेंट ही बदल गया, मैं ऐसा तमिल में क्यों बात करने लगा हूँ. Fit Fusion, this is our gym for boys and girls also, where we can go and just work out. The inside picture I will show you on the screen. It's actually allowed to shoot inside, but there are many students and we have to take concern from them. Everyone is in their comfort zone, that's why I don't want to disturb them. So I am showing you from outside, and the inside pictures I will show you on your screen. Opposite of that, here is our canteen, and this is our big ground where you can play whatever you want, my buddies. Yeah, and these are the two other boys hostels. One is Jews 1 and second one is Jews 2, and my hostel is over there, which I show you previously. दिल्ली में बहुत ह्यूमिडिटी और बहुत गर्मी है।
हमारे यहाँ ऐसा ही होता है,
इसलिए अभी आपको कोई नहीं दिखेगा। शाम के बाद यहाँ पे बच्चे आके खेलते हैं। वन नेगेटिव पॉइंट इन GD गोयनका, यू हैव टू वॉक लॉट बिकॉज माई रूम इज बिहाइंड दैट बिल्डिंग। द जिम इज हियर, द मेस इज ओवर देयर and my college, I'll show you directly. There are new sports like pickleball, paddle and lawn tennis which we can play here. So it's beautiful. If you are sporty person, you can come here and join various activities. अगर आप रोज कैंटीन का खाना खाते खाते हो गए हो बोर,
अरे हाँ भाई हाँ,
so no worries my guys, we have Domino's also in our GD Goenka. अभी फिलहाल बंद है, 9-10 बजे वो खुलता है, बट वी हैव द डोमिनोज फॉर योर चीट मील्स एंड और भी है, और भी बहुत कुछ है। वी हैव डोमिनोज, वी हैव मोमो मिया एंड वी हैव फ्यूल जैप। सो यस, बहुत सारे आपको ऑप्शंस है आपके चीट डे के लिए। डोमिनोज तो एवरीवन नोज। मोमो मिया में बेसिकली आपको मोमोज मिलेंगे, बर्गर्स मिलेंगे, रैप्स मिलेंगे, yeah, all that stuff. And fuel jab is for multi-purpose like chips, burgers, tea, coffee, all that thing. The canteen food is also good, but कभी कभी तो बोर हो जाता है, तो इसलिए yeah, we have pretty much options for that. But frankly speaking guys, I don't eat that stuff, that junk food, you know, because you know I'm a gym lover. And one guy can relate this song in Maharashtra. He is my friend, so he understand you guys. Please gym jao.
Jim Jao. Jim Jao.
Have muscles and patao.
Yeah, boy.
बस एक ही यार दिक्कत है यार GD गोयनका में, एक तो धूप बहुत है, इन्होंने एक शेड डालना चाहिए क्योंकि गर्मी बहुत है और चलना बहुत पड़ता है यार, यहाँ से वहाँ, वहाँ से।
लो सुना क्या, ये भी मेरी गलती है। नहीं भाई मेरी गलती है, नहीं मेरी गलती है।
तो हम वहाँ थे, वहाँ पे बैठे थे। So this is one college. We have actually 3 blocks, A block, B block or C block. So this is the A block. A block is for the management students, the law students. And this is the B block, which is my college, where courses like agriculture, nursing, healthcare, all science related courses are here. So thank you so much for watching till here. Do hit a like button if you like the video and share to your friend. आणि आता मी बोलणार आहे मराठीमध्ये. माझ्या मराठीच्या भावांनो, माझ्या जुन्या सबस्क्रायबरांनो, सबस्क्राईब करा चॅनल जर तुम्हाला आजचा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर. आणि मला नक्की सांगा की मी आता पुढे, आता मी ॲक्च्युली आहे इथे दिल्लीमध्ये असणारे 2 वर्ष या कॉलेजमध्ये. तुम्हाला ॲक्च्युली माहिती नव्हतं, मी आतापर्यंत रिव्हील नव्हतं केलं. लोकांना समजलंच असेल की मी इथे कशाला आलो आहे. 2 वर्षाचा माझा ॲग्रिकल्चरचा कोर्स आहे, त्याच्यासाठी मी इकडे आता 2 वर्ष असणार आहे मास्टर्ससाठी. अजून डिसाईड नाही केलं की व्लॉगिंग आपली कंटिन्यू राहणार आहे की नाही. थोडं स्टडीवरती फोकस करायचं आहे. जर आपण व्लॉगिंग कंटिन्यू केली तर तुम्हाला ती हिंदीमध्ये बघायला आवडेल की मराठीमध्ये की इंग्लिशमध्ये बघायला आवडेल. बाय बाय.